Hey, I went grocery shopping. I'm putting it all on my side of the shelf, so can you not eat it? Thanks. Oh, dude. And can we get rid of this breakfast burrito? It's disgusting. Blueberry. Dude, can we get rid of this breakfast burrito? It's nasty.
Let me see it.
Look at this.
No, this is still good.
Dude, it's growing mold.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Whatever. Have you seen my yogurt?
I saw you eating it.
Are you sure? I don't think I did.
I'm pretty sure you did.
Why is it all sticky here? Did you spill soda all over the fridge again?
Didn't you buy that soda?
Yeah, I bought it, but I'm asking you if you opened it, drank it, and spilled it.
So you admit that you bought the soda.
Mother!
Yeah, no, Mom, I know. I just need like 40, 50 more bucks for groceries. Yeah, this is the last time, I promise. Just, my roommates are getting kind of annoyed and I feel bad. My fridge is empty. Alright. Okay. Love you too. Bye.
I'm making myself an omelet. Do you want one?
Sure, thanks.
You want cheese?
Yeah.